Everywhere I go, they call me Cash Madam, say me fresh and clean, call me Cash Madam, anything you know I got it. Cash Madam, baby, Cash Madam, V money.
Come and glow with your glow, honey. Come and glow with me.
You don't know. Bad man. Yeah. His body baby, oh. His body baby, oh. Yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I did this wig with braiding hair. Okay, the regular braiding hair stuff, you know. So anyway, you are seeing it from the thumbnail and the title. So yeah, this is a crochet wig done by me. No closure, no frontal, no problem, sis. You can have this cute wig. Okay, the company I work with today is Beyond Beauty on Amazon. Okay, so they sent to me a huge pack of hair, which I showed in the video, and I only used 2 packs and a half, exactly 2 packs and a half for this entire wig. Okay, so I cut. Anyway, I'm going to show everything in the video. It's very detailed for you guys not to waste that much money and look cute, okay, because winter is around the corner and you need to look cute always. Okay, I love rocking my wigs in winter time, so I decided to do this wig for you girls out there. So basically that's it. The lashes I'm wearing today is from DILIAS brand. Okay, so today I'm wearing Explore. Black owned business. You need to support black owned businesses. So my lashes are from DILIAS brand. Explore the lashes, honey. Explore them. Cute lashes and very affordable, very affordable. I'm going to leave all her details down below. Okay, so the link of this here is going to be down below, and everything I used in the video also down below, so you can achieve this cute wig the way I did. So basically that's it, cuties. If you want to know how I did this wig over here, just keep watching.
Behind these eyes, secret signs. Behind your walls, broken doors. A single rose, a thorn will grow. Tell me your fears, they'll stay right here. You're in so deep, feel my skin on top of yours. Can we begin? You're in so deep, you too much. Loving me is a little run. I want you to love me. I want you to hurt me. I want you to save me. I want you to love me. I want you to hurt me. I want you to save me. I want you to. I want you to.
Dive in. You might never see the bottom, but the mystery is awesome. Don't let me be forgotten. A single rose, a thorn will grow. Tell me your fears, they stay right here. You're in so deep, you feel my skin on top of yours. Can we begin? You're in so deep, you see too too much. Loving me is a little rough. I want you to love me. I want you to hurt me. I want you to save me. I want you to love me. I want you to hurt me. I want you to save me.
Behind these eyes, secrets lie. Behind your walls, broken doors. A single rose, a thorn will grow. Tell me your fears, they'll stay right here. You're in so deep, feel my skin on top of yours. Can we begin? You're in so deep, you too much. Loving me is a little rough. I want you to love me. I want you to hurt me. I want you to save me. I want you to love me. I want you to hurt me. I want you to save me.
This is what we are working with right now, so it has to look this neat. Okay, try and make it as neat as possible. So we are going to add obviously more hair in the back, but I want this part to be neat first. Okay, you need to be very patient. You need to take small amounts of hair at a time. So yeah, you need to be very patient with this. Okay, so this almost took me about an hour, while the entire wig took me less than 1 hour. So we are
Dive in. You might never see the bottom, but the mystery is awesome. Don't let me be forgotten. A single rose, a thorn will grow. Tell me your fears, they stay right here. You're in so deep, you feel my skin on top of yours. Can we begin? You're in so deep, you see too much. Loving me is a little rough. I want you to love me. I want you to hurt me. I want you to save me. I want you to love me. I want you to hurt me. I want you to save me.
so deep. You feel my skin on top of yours. Can we begin? You're in so deep. You shoot too much. Loving me is a little rough. I want you to love me. I want you to hurt me. I want you to save me. I want you to love me. I want you to hurt me. I want you to save me.
If you like this video and this video was helpful for you, don't forget. I know it was helpful. It was damn helpful. I know. So if you like this video and this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like, subscribe right there. Subscribe, okay? Click the bell button over there. It's not that hard. Subscribe, okay? And keep a comment. One thing before I go, I noticed that you guys like wig videos. Do you want me to do more wig videos? And like, I don't know, just tell me in the comments, you want more wig videos or not? Because I'm coming with more videos like this kind of videos. I'm coming with many videos. I also have another review right now. I don't know if I'm going to do it right now. So yeah, basically, anyways, I don't want to show you too much. I have another review, and I have many reviews to do, but anyways, I'll be bringing the video for you guys, okay? So that's it. Subscribe, share my video, share the damn video. I love you guys. I love you. Peace, always peace.
Dive in. You might never see the bottom, but the mystery is awesome.